Bear in English. My dad always says, bear with me. So, bear is an animal, but it's also a verb used in lots of ways in English. For example, we say, bear with me. Basically means, please wait a moment while I'm doing something, okay? Very normal, very polite, formal, informal, general, common English. Useful, okay? To bear, I can't bear rude people. I can't bear them, okay? The bridge bears the weight of the vehicles. To support. Bear. I bet you didn't know that it was a verb in English.